What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. As you guys probably know, I'm suffering from hair loss. I've talked about it numerous times in the past. I'm super self-cautious about it. I even travel with a hat all the time to cover my head because I don't want anybody to see my thinning hair. But today I'm super excited to announce that I'm partnering up with iRestore. They have a revolutionary product that uses low-level light laser therapy that is clinically proven to regrow hair. I really wanted to try a method that's drug-free, non-invasive, FDA-cleared, and convenient for me and my busy schedule, and iRestore checks all the boxes. Plus, iRestore also has the best reviews when it comes to laser hair therapy brands. It was a no-brainer for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using iRestore consistently over the next few months to see if it works for me. During that time, I'm going to show you how to use the product and give you updates about any results I see while I'm traveling. The iRestore Professional uses 282 lasers and LEDs to deliver more power and light therapy to your scalp. It's lightweight, designed for maximum coverage, and well ventilated. And the medical grade foam pads inside make it super comfortable to wear. Hopefully I see some results soon and I inspire you to use iRestore if you're suffering from hair loss too. Now you guys ready? Today I'm headed to Armenia and then to Kuwait. Let's go. And just like that, I'm in the country of Armenia, one of my favorite countries on the planet. It's actually my last night here. I'm in Yerevan, the capital, and I have to leave to the airport in about 25 minutes. But yeah, 10 incredible days. The food, the history, the scenery, and the people. The hospitality here cannot be missed. But today I want to talk to you about the Professional 282 by iRestore. Let me show you how it works, okay? So here we go. Put it on. That's step one. So you have a user manual. You know, there's 7 steps. I'm going to show you all of them. Step 2, plug it in to the pin adapter. Step 3, plug it into electrical outlet. Should turn on, beep, there we go. Now it's started. So the way this works is that for 16 weeks, every other day you do this. It takes 25 minutes. Starts with 1 beep, then 25 minutes later you have like a long beep. And the way I've been doing it is basically, you know, I'm doing something on the computer, I'm doing my offload, I just plug it in, I just sit there, 25 minutes, pass by really fast. And then if you have to go to the bathroom, you can pause it, just, you know, press pause, and go to the bathroom, come back, press play again. But if you wait 5 minutes or more, it turns off. So I'm gonna turn it on, right? It's on. Start it. There we go. It started. 25 minutes. I actually already did it today. I don't have to do it again today. I have to go to the airport now. I just want to show you how it works. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see some results. I've only been using it like 2 weeks. So, you know, I'm gonna give it some time. I mean, I really want to see like in 10 weeks where I'm at with this. I really love the product. It's really portable, it's easy. And yeah, iRestore, gotta get it. All right guys, I'm gonna see you in Kuwait. Peace. Hey everyone, so I'm here in Kuwait City, Kuwait. I arrived yesterday morning. Tonight I'm leaving back to Miami. And yeah, I've had an amazing adventure. I'm actually just doing my session right now, trying to finish up. I still have let's say 18 minutes to go. And today I want to talk to you about the iRestore Hair Gummy Vitamins. If you guys didn't know, this is another supplement that they have. Basically, this helps you with your hair, skin, and nails. They're specially formulated to fight thinning hair, help promote the growth of healthier hair, and nourish your hair, skin, and nails. Take 2 gummies every day, preferably with a meal, and you're set. They come in 3 delicious natural flavors: cherry, lemon, and orange. I'm gonna take my 2 for the day. I love these things. They're so good. They're almost like gummy bears. That's how good they are. Awesome. Well guys, I'll see you in a few weeks from Miami or somewhere else in the world. Catch you very soon. Peace. Last time I caught up with you guys, I was in Kuwait. Went to Miami for a few weeks. Now I'm here in Barcelona. Basically, it's very easy to use the iRestore. You take this with you, right? Then every time you have a chance, every other day, you turn it on, put it on, 25 minutes, that's it. So right here you have a timer, 24 minutes right now. Been using it for 1 minute so far. And yeah, I mean, just sit here, relax, do some work. And once it's done, take it off, and that's it. And again guys, what I love about the iRestore is I can take it with me everywhere. My kids think it's like a little spaceship. They're like, what are you doing? But you know, obviously I'm trying to regrow my hair. I'm helping my hair rejuvenate itself. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in Italy. So I'm back in Miami after a crazy 90 days of traveling. I went to Armenia, Kuwait, Spain, Italy, and then Los Angeles, and I'm super excited about iRestore. I feel like my hair is fuller and it's actually growing faster, and I think that's a result from the vitamin gummies. I love them. I take them religiously every single day, 2 a day. And really what I love about the iRestore is that I don't have to apply it. I just have to put on the helmet every other day for 25 minutes. You don't even have to time yourself. It has a timer. Just press start, wait for it to be over, and usually what I do is I'm either working or I'm watching a movie, and that's how I do it. So if you're thinking about growing your hair back and you've been looking for something that's very easy, convenient, and simple, this is definitely for you. The main thing is to remember to put it on every other day for 25 minutes. That's so simple, so easy. And guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next 90 days with my final results from iRestore.